After the arrest of Kalicharan Maharaj, the right-wing Hindutva religious leader who had allegedly made some outrageous statements against a minority community and also abused Mahatma Gandhi, protests in Gurugram demanded his release. Organizations protesting against prayers at public places in Haryana's Gurugram on Friday staged a protest demanding the release of Kalicharan. The group included at least 50 protesters belonging to right-wing groups. Reportedly, during the protest, protesters of right wing organizations also raised provocative slogans like Godse saved the country and Godse Amar Rahe. The protest march was led by Kulbhushan Bharadwaj, legal advisor of Sanyukta Hindu Sangarsha Samiti. This is a group of about 22 local organizations which protest every Friday against the namaz being held in public places in Gurugram. Friday's march included former RSS and BJP leader Narendra Singh Pahari, who led a group disrupting Christmas Eve celebrations at a school in Pataudi last week, alleging religious conversion. Mahavir Bharadwaj, state president of the Sanyukta Hindu Sangarsha Samiti Haryana, also participated in the protest. According to reports, he had also participated in the Dharma Sansad in Haridwar. According to reports, he had also participated in Dharma Sansad in Chhattisgarh, where many participants, including Kalicharan Maharaj, used abusive slogans. The protesters not only raised slogans praising Nathuram Godse but also allegedly gave a call for violence in Gurugram on Friday. These slogans were raised when the protesters gathered near the Deputy Commissioner's residence at civil lines before marching to the DC's office amid heavy police presence. The group included members of the Gaurakshak Dal from Manesar, Bajrang Dal and Hindu Sena. They have submitted a memorandum addressed to the President at the DC's office demanding the immediate release of Kalicharan. Kulbhushan Bharadwaj, speaking to the media, said, "We rigorously support the remarks made by Sant Kalicharan against Gandhi and condemn how the Chhattisgarh government has arrested him. When the country was partitioned on the basis of religion, why did Gandhi not oppose it? This country will never forgive Gandhi for his role in accepting the division of the country. The Hindu society has woken up and we will not accept any insult to our saints," he said. Bharadwaj was suspended from the BJP for anti-party activities in 2020 and he has also been leading protests against namaz in open spaces in Gurgaon's Sector 47 and Sector 12. He was among 26 people arrested on October 29th for attempting to disrupt namaz at Sector 12A and later he was released on bail.